What does it mean to be different? To be a different kind of student, a different kind of learner, a different kind of creative, a different kind of classroom, a different kind of education. This is New England Institute of Technology, and we're a different kind of university. To start, we aren't a liberal arts college, and we don't do boring lecture halls. In fact, we don't do boring anything. So what sets New England Tech apart? First and foremost, we're a private, nonprofit university, and our mission as an institution has been clear since our founding in 1940. Equip our students with the skills needed for exciting, successful careers. We ensure our graduates are truly ready for the workplace from day one. That's why employers look to us when they're hiring. When you attend New England Tech, you won't be lectured to. You'll learn by doing, through hands-on training in real-world simulation labs that are equipped with the same cutting-edge technologies the world's biggest and best employers use in the workplace. And our expert faculty brings decades of real-world experience, so they know what it takes to succeed in your industry. In addition, at New England Tech, you'll find a community of like-minded students, a group of dedicated individuals doing what you love. Our students form immediate bonds with classmates, since unlike many other universities, you'll take multiple classes together in your major from day one, with small class sizes, jumping right into work that you're passionate about. Piggybacking on our hands-on learning approach, many majors offer clinicals and paid and unpaid internships, so you can gain further experience in real-world settings. Our Career Services Department will assist you with resume building and mock interviews, and help you secure a job as you approach graduation. Last year, Career Services hosted more than 250 companies on campus for recruitment events to connect employers with our students. You can earn your associate, bachelor's, master's, and/or doctorate degree, with more than 50 majors in a number of diverse and exciting fields, including health sciences and nursing, information technology, digital media and management, engineering technology, automotive and transportation, building technologies, architecture and design, and law enforcement and criminal justice. In line with our career-centered learning philosophy, we offer accelerated degree programs, meaning our students can graduate with an associate's degree in 18 months and a bachelor's degree in 3 years instead of 4. This allows our graduates to start your career sooner and increase your lifetime earning potential. While here, you can choose to live off campus or on campus in our 400-bed smart technology residence hall. We have a diverse student body with more than 20% of our students from varying ethnic backgrounds, over 25 clubs and organizations, intramural sports, a brand new fitness center with free group exercise classes, and a student center featuring a dining center, game rooms, gaming pods to play video games, and much more. And we just opened our brand new state-of-the-art esports center featuring leading-edge gaming technology, weekly intramural play, tournaments, and esports leagues. Our campus is located in East Greenwich, Rhode Island, 1 hour south of Boston, and 3 hours north of New York City. We're a short 20-minute drive from the arts and dining scene of downtown Providence, Rhode Island, as well as a short drive to world-renowned tourist destination Newport, Rhode Island, and a number of our beautiful beaches on the Atlantic Ocean. At New England Tech, we work with each student to ensure that our university experience is affordable and rewarding. We have the lowest tuition of any private college in Rhode Island, and 97% of financial aid applicants receive some type of aid. Merit scholarships are also available. Once you've completed your FAFSA, you can schedule a one-on-one appointment with one of our financial aid professionals, either in person or over the phone, and they'll guide you through the process from start to finish. You can apply at New England Institute of Technology through the Common Application or at NEIT.edu. We require your high school transcripts, and for nursing students, we'll schedule you for a Kaplan exam. We hope this session has been informative and helped you navigate this process. Thanks for looking into New England Institute of Technology. We look forward to helping you turn your passion into a great career.